once led a team where follow-up emails and manual dialing felt like resting snakes, inefficient, chaotic, and easy to lose track of prospects. That daily struggle for structure is what drove me to explore true sales engagement platforms, and Salesloft was one of the first names that kept popping up. But is it the real deal for productivity, or just the loudest voice in the room? Let's find out. Salesloft is a sales engagement platform built to streamline outreach across email, phone, and messaging, all while syncing in real time with your CRM. It's marketed as a way to bring predictability and performance into your sales process. But what does that look like in practice, and what does it cost to adopt? Imagine your sales development reps are juggling dozens of outbound emails, follow-up tasks, and call reminders every day. Without a unified system, things fall through cracks, and visibility vanishes. Salesloft offers guided workflows, automated cadences, multi-channel touchpoints, and activity sync, all aimed at keeping reps focused and accountable. Pricing is not openly advertised, but current reports show you can expect roughly $1,000 per user per year, which works out to around $83 per user per month, with a 3-seat minimum required. If you add a dialer for calling, that may cost extra, blue to the tune of about $200 per user per year. And for larger organizations, anecdotal pricing for teams of 10 can run between $11,000 to $16,000 annually, depending on add-ons and contract length. Salesloft shines with its guided selling workflows and seamless CRM integration, features that cut chasing into orchestration. Users often highlight how much more consistent their rep execution became and how dashboards made coaching easier. On the other hand, the price point can feel steep for small teams, and the platform can feel overwhelming without proper onboarding. Some teams report setup complexity, especially when syncing with Salesforce or onboarding new reps. If your team is ready to scale outreach with accountability, especially in a structured sales development environment, Salesloft can seriously elevate how predictable your pipeline becomes. Start small, maybe just with high-volume outbound teams, then layer on advanced features like coaching dashboards or analytics. But go into it knowing there's cost on both setup and seats, and a commitment to training behind the ROI. So that's the honest review of Salesloft. Robust, intuitive, and powerful for modern sales teams, but not a lightweight solution. If this helped you see whether it's worth the investment for your business, tap that like button, subscribe for more straight-up tool reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.